What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Stank815, and I'm back with another video. Y'all new to this channel? Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I do these videos. You see, I'm out here in Rockford, Illinois. Man, I'm with the crew, man. You know, we getting to it. They just pulled up in this right here, man. They just pulled up in this right here. Hold up.
I want to see this girl drive.
He just dropped.
No, I want to see how far it's going to drop because he got kids in that.
He can't drop it too far. Wheels, he can't drop it too far. We're gonna get it though, underneath. Alright. Oh, nice. Dang! This, hey guys, this make me miss Texas because this how they ride in Texas for real.
Yeah, we actually we took best top 5 in LST last year.
Ooh, wait. I just moved back from Texas. They ride like this in Texas.
Oh, yeah.
You see these all day, every day in Texas. I'm nice. We got this. Nice too. What you? 7-foot dude trying to get out of a small car, you guys. Hello. Hello. We got a 7-foot dude. Hey, YouTube. We got a 7'3" dude finna get out. Hold up. Hey y'all, he's 7'3", YouTube. YouTube, he's 7'3". Let's see how he get up out of here. 7'3", let's see. Okay. Hey, he got out though, 7'3". Man, y'all finna make me go buy this colors and start putting it together. Hey, y'all get in the comment section, YouTube. Let me know if y'all want me to go get the colors. I'm back in Rockford, yeah. I wasn't gonna tell nobody. I don't move back to Rockford, so y'all let me know if y'all want me to get colors and put it together. Hey. Ooh. Nice little original. Oh man. Now I have for my trip. We got the 392 out here too. Got that out here too. Dang, man. They finna make me go buy this color. I buy this. Hey, let me get on the live and tell. I buy this colors. I'm blaming it on you, David. If the frame rusty, I'm blaming it on you.
You still got your box?
No, I sold it and I should have bought it. Man, I went to buy it back from the dude. Man, he messed that mug up. He did. Man, if you would have seen that mug. He done popped the trunk. Ooh, wait.
I'm at 11th place. Hey, look at the window. Look at the window on that Tahoe. Look at the window on that Tahoe right there.
That's the one.
All right. Hey, so look at mine. The exhaust.
Hey, sir.
The name.
How can I get a car like this, sir?
Man, what you do is don't hesitate on that colors, y'all. Comment, tell them why that one. Quit capping and go and buy something. This nigga been asking me for 4 years, what should I buy? Everything I tell him to go buy, he be like, no. He ain't trying to buy nothing.
You ain't lying. You been on me, Dave, for a year. He not lying, y'all. David been on me, man, for years, telling me to go ahead and get, man.
You ain't gonna find nothing perfect. You got to make it perfect.
You right. David, man. Dang, you right, man. Ah.
Whatever you gonna do, you got to make it.
You gotta make it.
Did you see this car when I first got it?
I know. You know I seen
Did you
it.
see it? I spray painted it because I wanted it all one color. I was riding around with rattle can paint. I didn't just buy this like that. You know that.
I know.
Well, then, so you ain't gonna find. I mean, unless you gonna drop a bag.
I ain't dropping no bag.
Right,
I gotta, because
you have to get what you know.
everybody putting these big motors in their car,
That lick over there, man.
and I can't even put no big motor in
Yeah, I
mine.
need that thing over there.
Put a lid on it.
Yeah, he said he don't know nothing about nothing. I drove it though. See, a lot of people just looking at it. I drove it. And the first time he told me to hit it, I got him.
Lolos, Lolos.
Play with the blinds on the headlights.
He riding on the Lolos. He riding on the Lolos. And he got the frame painted. Frame painted same color.
Got the glass edge.
Yeah, what was just there? That ball right here, detail, boy. This ball, nice. Bam! Ooh, you know who that is. You know who that boy is right there. Yeah. You ain't lying. That's exactly what you said. Oh my, uh-oh. Old gangster right there, boy. Y'all know who that is.
Look underneath though.
Yeah, buddy. He got that mug. That mug. Man, hey, David. Dave, bro, he got the covers done. Come on, man. Got the covers. Hey. Hey. I ain't gonna lie. Uh-oh. 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 You know who that is, boy.
You know who this? You know?
What?
Chapo.
Yeah, and his son. That's his son.
Hey, what's my dog name?
When I was growing up.
Got y'all.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see it? Let's check this out.